Hi, I'm Tyler, a senior client manager for benefits here at Warp. Today I want to walk you through our new and improved benefits experience inside the platform. From how to set up benefits in your organization, to switching to Warp as your organization BOR, and what the experience is like for your employees. Benefits are one of the biggest reasons people join a company, and famously one of the most painful things to set up. In Warp, it takes a few minutes, and it all lives next to your payroll. Let me show you how it works. Everything starts in the Benefits tab. From here, you can see every benefit type Warp supports in one place: health coverage like medical, dental, and vision, financial benefits like a 401k, pre-tax commuter benefits, and custom benefits like a gym and wellness stipend. Let's start with healthcare. Before you can offer coverage, Warp runs a quick eligibility check. 4 questions, that's it. First, your company info. Select your primary state of operation and confirm whether you're registered with the Secretary of State there. Then 2 payroll questions: whether you've processed at least 2 weeks of payroll history, and whether you pay any non-W2 employees. If everything checks out, you'll see this green confirmation, and you can continue straight into plan selection. If you haven't run payroll yet, no worries, just run your first payroll and come back to the sign-up flow to complete. Once you've passed the checks, you'll set up a call with our benefits team to get you all sorted. Next, retirement. Warp integrates directly with human interest and Vestwell, so you're not managing a 401k in a separate system and syncing deductions by hand. Pick your provider, hit connect, and contributions flow through payroll automatically. Deductions, matching, and compliance testing all stay in sync without manual uploads. Commuter benefits are pre-tax dollars for transit and parking, and they're one of the cheapest perks you can offer relative to how much employees love them. Setup is 3 steps. First, the basics: give the benefit description, set a start date, and set the default monthly contribution for the company and for employees. Second, choose who's enrolled. Search your team and add anyone who's eligible. You can always enroll more people later. Third, review the summary and create the benefit. That's it. IRS limits are handled automatically, and the deductions show up in your next payroll run. Finally, custom benefits. This is where you build the perks that make your offer stand out, like a wellness stipend. Same flow you already know: set the amount, pick a start date, enroll your team, and submit. Once it's live, every benefit gets its own page where you can see who's enrolled, adjust contributions, and add people as your team grows. Warp is a licensed insurance broker with direct relationships with 30+ carriers, including UHC, Blue Cross, Kaiser, and Aetna. We handle plan selection, negotiations, and renewals in-house. If you want to switch your broker and use Warp's in-house consultants, here's how. If you already have healthcare coverage, you'll need to change plans to manage everything in Warp. A broker of record transfer makes Warp your benefits administrator, while your carriers, your plans, and your costs stay exactly the same. Nothing changes for your employees. Same coverage, same networks, same doctors. Head to your healthcare benefit and start the transfer. The transfer itself is 2 steps. First, confirm your coverage details. Your company info is pre-filled, so just add your carrier name, group number, and the authorized signer. Second, review your broker of record letter. Warp generates it for you with everything filled in. Read the disclosures, sign, and submit. From there, Warp handles the rest. Your signed letter goes straight to your carrier, they process the change in 1 to 2 weeks, and your coverage stays fully active the entire time. Once it's confirmed, Warp is your broker, your deductions sync automatically, and our benefits team is your single point of contact for everything. So what does all of this look like once it's live? Let's take a tour. Your benefits tab is now a command center. Healthcare and your 401k show as active, with enrollment counts and effective dates at a glance. And anything you haven't launched yet is 1 click away. Open healthcare, and every plan you offer is right there. Medical, dental, vision, life, and short-term disability, each with its own card showing who's enrolled and when coverage runs. Your total monthly premium sits at the top, and you can set up automatic billing so invoices never slip. Below that, your members table. Every employee, every line of coverage, every plan, and effective date in one view. Filter by status, from actively enrolled to COBRA to waived, and export whenever your carrier or accountant asks. Click into any plan to see its details, its enrolled members, and the actual plan documents right in Warp. Click into any person to see their full coverage and their dependents. And here's the part your team actually cares about. Every employee gets their own benefits page. Each plan has a card with their member ID, their group number, their monthly premium split, and their dependents. Need to check a copay? The full plan summary is one click away, no PDF hunting, no emailing HR. That's Warp Benefits. Healthcare, retirement, commuter, custom perks, and your broker of record all in one place, synced with payroll, and clear for every employee from day one. If you want help picking plans, Warp's benefits team will walk you through it. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help.